Hey everyone, this is Scott with Apple Chevrolet here in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today we're looking at a brand new 2017 Chevy Corvette. This is the Grand Sport model, equipped with the 7-speed manual transmission. We have got some great savings for you to be had on this Corvette here. You will still take advantage of the full manufacturer's warranty, and you can save over $20,000 off the MSRP of this vehicle. There have been quite a few add-ons placed onto this vehicle, and we have got the window sticker here to show options and pricing. The last two columns here are all add-ons, and you can see the total vehicle price over $93,000. This Corvette can be yours today for just $69,900. If you're in the market for a Corvette, this deal cannot be beat. As you can see, this Corvette is sitting pretty on our showroom floor, looking to garner all the attention it can get. If you got any questions, please reach out to Apple Chevrolet and get in touch with our sales department, 708-429-3000. That's 708-429-3000, and please check us out online at applechevy.com. Thank you very much.